to me. Then who has or
I think they also okay because some of them people end this focus now. Imagine say they are dragging me to gutters.
But you see, Ujaman fa. On the side, idea okay. Make so okay. But you cannot. Form no, they didn't go for any interview.
I also move far. They
didn't go. Let's say it means that you bend the rules.
Yes.
And so, but sometimes in politics, so in your way, in your quest to
defend yourself,
no, we reveal it. Never be a
Abuja for me, woman, I'm about the bagan and some TV so. But homework is like video number, subscribe to the channel, no notifications. See you next time. Videos of this nature about soon sabit makabi. I was watching our comment section with my na yakase Ira Kwame Adinkra. Kwame Adinkra is a notable radio presenter who is known for his good works, good analysis, neutrality. So being go for my dream be say oh Ira Adinkra support the party we are in party now. But when it comes to his objective and subjective analysis, it's on point. Now, since the end is about power, no, as you are commenting, it will be in huni, it will be in huni cry. And I'm coming to explain to you what I'm saying in huni. I was avoid lately. Ghana for be a quarter of forms, over 500,000 Ghanaian youth, a quarter of forms. Some say for public or security space, security service. Nanochi Naira Muntaka, Minister for Interior, catches over my 5,000 out of the 500,000, estimated 1% of all motor forms. And as Ghanaians, we requested for updates, we requested for explanations, because that's a very big fraudulent act. Abakasim bina yedi yeni anjo. Or see the minister hold it no right, or hold it not as a responsibility to explain to ordinary Ghanaian. Because you intimidate. Ira Kwame Adinkra, with the greatest of respect, Ira, you've been in the space for long, and commenting if you want to buy one can say yeah, Angela Ghana for. Yeah, Ghana for intimidate Muntakare. Ibit my any baby. Yeah, Ghana for ibit my Muntaka baby. Bibi bitim na ye Muntaka na say 2028 December 7th we will vote massively against his government and he will lose his office. You can say people are setting agenda against Muntaka. I mean people within the NDC they are setting agenda because they want him to fail. You can see that. But you can't tell us say he deserves to come and explain it to us because yeni afanya juma yeni atuapa dia mano. You're wrong as a young for. You boo, oh, you're a legend. And as a matter of fact, we would respect you for being a legend. We will never be harsh on you. That's why, with the greatest of our respect, we are calm and we are addressing the issue in absolute calmness. But Ira, Ghana for bro, I come to Ghana for. Sound crew for the core and quiet campaign say to about the moment buyer on Bema Ghana ni bia slot am I intend to a security service. I say na yaban ibe bus assassin we. Na ka say ni because a minister never kasa ni because of church in much Ghana for. You're not being fair to the ordinary Ghanaian. We respect you, you are our legend. One can say ye. Ade era can when you be ana. Legend, the greatest of respect can when you be ana. May you use your can so when you be in influence. So when you be a Ira, then come again because you have not been fair to the ordinary Ghanaian. Mummy just sama Ira kai.
Last election, you know, I'm putting into quite over 110,000. I'm farm. If a quarter of a police station for no, I got some player.
That comment to me. Then who has or worker.
I think they also okay because some of them people end this focus now. Imagine say they are dragging me to gutters.
But you see, Ujaman fa. On the side, idea okay. Make so okay. But you cannot. Form no. They didn't go for any interview.
I also move far.
They didn't go. Let's say it means that you bend the rules.
Yes.
And so, but sometimes in politics so in your way, in your quest to
defend yourself,
no, we reveal it, never be a so you don't have to force yourself to be making comments and also
because the one I wish as you know the system nasi and you don't need to but then the thing is if NDC allow system to say this is a fair and crown for say the omuka check Ghana for 2024 na central na mucha check Ghana for because omuka Ghana for say the MPP any a family and friends no pick only party boys and a former okay say maybe let me name so okay Etihana say NDC chairman and is only no organizer eba police depot say he recruited by they are not away minister Satia as me and chairman Nana Akosi and in NDC gas ba police depot hey so I'm to say ye intake bi amon just me wana training na moyo am ba gidigidi so mo mpene intake na advertise crofine for the party ma government came out to say a backlog I now and a pick. Now the same thing has happened with NDC. According to Mubarak, out of 500,000 I'm applying no, and praying I better for 5,000 That means government is taking only 1%. Then the 1% because of 500,000 no, the 1% then 5,000. That means that by 99% in the day they have to wait, and out of 99% they could be qualify. But look at the pressure ever. Party guys are seeing say I buy na also for in Crawford. Meanwhile, you told us that no and then you know I was telling myself so election 2 year the last election 2 year a little over 11 million and a 2 out of 35 million 24 million and 2 and this 11 million and 2 I believe say 70% the area politically active person. I was on there, me a police social executive, and I'm an active member of party, and I'm a executive or more. And 30% in the Crawford, they believe in democracy. But then over 21 million Americano, ABM accepted the system, but not necessarily they believe in the system. So say Kobasi say there ain't no government say when my government is in power, all my government people must be employed. When NDC is in power, any other Ghanaian being here need you. Or so when NDC MPP is in power, any other Ghanaian being here need you. This democracy cannot be sustained for a long time because we are breeding grounds for other people to take over. And I'm really because I say swearing in of a president, a democratically elected president. Now one of the guests by I know were a revolutionary leader. Now you know who in the event I can say a democratic elected event, you know, it's questionable.
Yeah.
And I'm really because I say swearing in of a president, a democratically elected president, and it's questionable.
Yeah.
It tells you even though I'm about democratic event, you know, they prefer other governance than the democracy. To them, democracy and prepare your being. And then this is accepting the same thing. How many times now this NDC executive and government and our Kazo Ghana Nemayadi, page Magana for the references your party ma. And I say NDC Chairman Bagabi. So it's when I'm going to be a party man and more appointment, yeah, money and share party man. And because and I say Papa is saying the friend of Nipenway. Or you're going to ambassador to South Africa.
I see what.
Sada we Bonibia. Lind, and maybe I say, on the whole embassy was South African. As I'm about to catch MPP, I shall not change this. They never know Gruma. Yeah, Papa no South Africa invited all Ghanaians to party to show their unity. And the same people who are insulting him, they are saying the same thing. Nada is free legend. Every day, Biaze, and these people say, Mubugana for 7, Sabia, the United. So when party flag and say you can't go to any person say me page my we gonna need and nobody cares about you. Say this in because and this no can say for juma. No legend over 6 million votes then you'll be an card bearer of the party. Obi on 19 from certain distance in a classic or to Abamao. Not necessarily say or a party but if say some kinds of by juma no yes, they say, oh, by no, they be who party ma we card bearer member na, we police executive, or police agent, or no page mamano.
ABS won't qualify.
And it's going to qualify. No, but so they be even the minister can speak the more qualify. They be and play fire and Crawford. And then nada free. All these things that your mama and any the party ma talk catches them, they are doing research. Adiba and MPP here and here, they come to do the right thing. They even was saying it because some MPP say no. Then they can't move because yes, and they were defending it. But then this are boldly saying, say they cross on episode. So who is worse in the situation? And then they forgot themselves, say, just about 1 year or 2 years ago, and we have 2 years more to go. Then somebody should wake them up. Or also be young and say, look, they want to mush and Any appointment be about legend and a party ma and a party ma and a legend go to all the government institution. So we pay appointment freely. Oh boy. People have applied for job for years. Let them farm.
When your profit in excess of $10 billion, look at the money. Just listen to the amount. Winning $10 billion, I just Google it and see the value of it. $10 billion. Say Ghana go to Galam say for your tom go that one the man cotton. But ultimately, in fact, the ordinary food soldier or company man wejuma. Ubusa sa this kind of idea was yedi nyina ewura cedi ne dollar ne mintina about 10 point something. And this ni na me ayame the second time say they are losing grounds by the hour, by the second, because say on one kasa ko for na say ya scam here, kill the government 419. On one kasa ko for na hu, because now they are coming out. When you start out, so we recruitment, you go comments, because I am an NDC force soldier, I did this, I did that, but look at how they treated me. Yes, I say V once. Obekwana qualified. When you refreshing, I said disqualified. Na ubebo biya kronwa na NDC for ankasa omoto abamao. Nkwa ketinketi omuni adwuma ye. Maton forms over 500,000. Mo se yefa mu 5,000. Says information just say when you scar in excess of 100 million. Forms not on you know. When you scar in excess of 100 million Ghana cedis. And we have offered nipa 5,000 pay. Now, with this party we actually that's we use and until I say uko krom busa man for one or two Obama and this will be as one. Now they've started running away from the party. It's so unattractive at time. A bomb. Almost a team Johnny free party. There's no busa say, "What there be me man to Obama and this? You want to one to Obama and this, you know." And now all their paid actors, as of one nominee, media personalities will be a ding untimin kasa adentia. Ya talk conscience. On say, Nyakupon ball na be mo aye human being. Obetimi de wa adwene akasa no. What will be this kaka krebi ato? I was say nkofo bi wo ho a omo de 100 million ato omo conscience no. Ebi e 200 million, ebi e 5,000. Ne dey ato conscience na ntia fe de we a media personality nsem ne pa unum say nsem ne hya wo ba untimi nka cause wo ka pay yi we dey say ye twa sika se ato bank accounts mu. Unya honest. Ntia fe de munya mo ye din na moto. And I'm more sure say you run a country, yes, sir. That's the NDC for you. Internet, you've no way. You've never the way. Separate away. Obient to me cabim. Oh, me a scam. Now, so over 5,000. You knew it. Because the Ministry of Finance back catch you say your budget you 1 year into the public form may be between 3,000 to 7,000. Why sell over 500,000 forms? Why? In confiding in our forms, you find cheche o mo. Kwa broche ko recruitment re. Aya online, no so akofele. You dress kabia. Ghana nkwade, you sell these forms. To this teaming you for umunye adwuma they are pleading say mama ye bibi nye. No asa ton forms na ma wo. No for 5,000, no for the sikana akadi. Na Mame fama ase munsi no obi nto aso. De meka nyina ne say NDC no a scam 419. Now they don't think about anybody. Even their own people they are duping them. Now obi so fire bi mame.
Mate current me that say me problem case here is that as an African child one kasa wunyi no trauma wudi no. It's a whole ball game. It's a whole discussion for another day. Na pray say ubekwa kwa serve obi onu ma ni wiase nyina career day bia no ne oye